babies, it's me, Chi, back with another video looking crusty, dusty, and crazy. But we're finna put a wig on, so it doesn't matter. I got this wig from Elemo hair. They sent it to me, and all my information and all that will be in the description box below. I believe it's a natural density, but it is a headband wig. So we're gonna get into what's in this box. So it just comes in a pre-packaging like this. Let's see what they have in store. Okay, so they gave me some lashes. They're really cute. I love this packaging. It's really pretty. The lashes are very pretty. Not too much, not too little. Period. I'm gonna put that in my little makeup bag. And they also gave you a little blending brush. And I love that. Like, you could put it on your little wig cap. That's cute. I love that. But I feel like I don't really need this. I might still put the wig cap on. They give you a wig cap. Now, let's get into the wig itself, babe. I'm excited. So, this is a headband wig. I can't wait to show y'all. Just this black 18 inches headband wig. Where's my brush? This is 18 inches straight, natural density, no lace, because it is a headband wig, okay? And now I'm finna just jump right into it. Oh, wait, no, I lied. They also gave us a lot of headbands, period. This one, this one. I'm probably gonna put on the leopard print, period, because it's matching the vibes. And this one. These are all the headbands that came with it. I believe that's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
headbands. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5, baby, period. So we're gonna get right into it. What I'm gonna do right now is I was gonna try to braid my hair down, but I don't have time for that. I'm gonna just put it in a low ponytail and then flip my hair up under the wig cap because, babe, who has time? Not me. It's time to wash your hair. I know y'all know what that be like when it's time to wash your hair and you can't even do nothing to it for real. But yes, y'all, usually I would try to braid it or do some type of flat twist, some type of something. But y'all, I am not equipped for that today. We just trying to make it work. So you see how it's real flat. And once we put the wig cap on, it will get flatter. Now, we're going to put on the wig cap. I don't want to put it too far. Not the wig cap, the wig. I don't want to put it too far on my head because this is a headband wig and I didn't want people to be able to see my hair. I mean, not my hair, but I didn't want people to be able to see my wig cap. Like, that's embarrassing and ugly. Okay, let's try to make this work. So I really thoroughly suggest putting the combs in your head just so that this will not slip off, fall off, or nothing like that. Like, make sure them combs in, girl. And then secure the little headband piece in the back. It's like Velcro, so you just secure that for the one time. And now here we are. Okay, let's comb it out a little bit. Now, I know what you're thinking. It looks crazy. That's why we're finna get on these edges. So, what you want to do, this is the most crucial part, you guys. You want to take some Eco Styler, right? Mold it down a little with just the Eco Styler. sure you get all the kinks out prior to adding your edge control. Now, this is when it get real. Don't put your edge control on your brush. I see a lot of people, they dip their edge control in the bottle and then try to put it on. No, don't do that. And I know y'all is like, what difference does it make? It's a huge difference, because when you use your edge brush for a whole bunch of different stuff, the oils from your hair, the old edge control, whatever else that you're using on that edge brush for, it will get in your edges as you're trying to slick them down again. So that's the problem. That's why your edges are getting oily and they're not hardening up and staying put all day, period. Little tip right there. Stick your finger in it and then put your finger, like, put it where you want it to be with your finger, and then let it sit there. That's another thing. Let it sit there and harden. And I have thick edges, like y'all just seen how they was looking. Let it harden before you start slicking it down. Now, I'm not finna sit up here and say that the headband is big enough to cover it, because it's not. But it is a cute headband, and you're not gonna notice that it's not covering the whole band unless you're trying to notice. But I suggest getting your own headband, so you won't have to deal with those problems. Look at the edges, y'all. Look how slick they was compared to how they was at the beginning. Period. I'm telling y'all, bro, this is the truth. This is the truth. It really is the truth, y'all. Real easy. This was 10 minutes. 10 minutes to do this. And then, if you're not feeling the little low look, high ponytail, you know what I'm saying? You would have to put in the work to get it to make sure it's looking good and it's staying. But hey. Also, I think what I'm going to do to try to get this the way I want it is fold it and then put a headband on top. Boom. Now no one knows a thing. You can't tell me this not my real hair. And I did just straighten it. So yes, this is the final look. Again, I will leave all the information down in the description, the link to the hair, all that good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, because I'm popping and more videos coming out then, and that's it.